Hi there, I got spring clamps as a gift. Let's open it, show what it looks like. You get a pack of 18. They're perfect for woodworking. If you're working with wood, you need to hold something together. They're spring loaded. They got pretty tight spring on them. They're made out of plastic. If you're doing any woodwork, you need to hold something together, or you're waiting for glue like to set, this will be perfect for it. Yep, quite a bit of spacing in them. They can grab a large piece of wood. Yeah, they look pretty good. Quality is good. If you're looking for clamps, you should look at this. Real nice.